Hello and Namaste. I am Dr. Sugandhi Onikrishnan, obstetrician and gynecologist, and welcome to Kimkena. Today, we are going to understand about doing a pregnancy test at home, how to do them, when to do them, and why do you have to do a pregnancy test. So let's begin. So these are some pregnancy test kits which I purchased from a pharmacy nearby. They come under many names. This one reads HCG card test. This one is Prega News, and this one is ICANN. All of these are very similarly priced. They're around 50, 55 and 58 rupees. Most of them are easily available at a pharmacy near your home. Now, I understand that some women may have difficulties in procuring a test kit from a pharmacy near their home for various reasons. You can opt to do an online purchase, and when you purchase, you can choose not to reveal the content on the packet, so that even if somebody else is receiving it for you, they will not understand what is inside. It will just say healthcare or something like that. So now I'll show you how to do a pregnancy test with these kits. So let's open these first and see what it contains. So let's see what's inside the package. This Prega News contains a testing strip, and it also contains a dropper to collect and place your urine into the strip, which I'll explain later. The back of this cover has instructions on how to do the test and how to read them. Certain other packages come with brochures, and the brochure will have user information, which again tells you how to use the kit and how to read the results. So let's begin with the method of doing the pregnancy test at home. Now let us look at the testing strip. Your testing strip will have a small circular area, what we call as the well. It is marked with an alphabet S. This is the place where you should drop your urine, in the circular well. Beside it, you will see a rectangular box which has two alphabet markings called C and T. C stands for control and T stands for test. I will explain to you later in the demonstration what C will become and what T will become. So this is your pregnancy kit, and this in my hand is the dropper. So you will have to collect urine sample in this dropper and drop it into the well. So now we'll go with the demonstration. So I'll show you how to do the pregnancy test. Take a clean container and collect your urine sample. If you don't have a container, you can use the cover of the kit also to collect urine. It is preferred that you take the first sample that you void in the morning, the first urine sample that you pass in the morning. It's not mandatory, but if you can do that, it will be helpful, because higher levels of the HCG hormone, which we detect in the pregnancy test, can be available in the early morning urine sample. So what we will do now is we will use the dropper and we will collect urine into the dropper, and the area that I mentioned as S, the well that I mentioned as S, we are going to exactly drop 3 drops of urine into it. So as you can see, the line keeps progressing and the window is getting filled. Now the alphabet T that I mentioned and the alphabet C that I mentioned keep getting filled up. So you can see that the whole rectangle box is getting filled. Now if you observe here, there is a line which is there just above C or control, and there is no line above T. You can compare it to the results which is given in the information leaflet. So if you're seeing just one line which is above C, it means there is no pregnancy. Pregnancy test is negative. However, if you see 2 lines, that means there is also a line which comes near T or test. It means a pregnancy test is positive. So 1 line negative, 2 lines positive. There can also be a third option where your test can come invalid, which means that you don't see any kind of line either below C or below T. Else, you are finding a line below T, but you're not seeing any kind of line below C. In such cases, you should use a new test kit and repeat the test again to be certain if you're pregnant or not. So when do you do the home pregnancy test? I've seen many women who wait for a good 7 to 10 days after they miss their period to get the home pregnancy test done, thinking that it will be more accurate then. You don't have to wait that long. The moment you miss your period, you can do the home pregnancy test, and if you are pregnant, it will get revealed in the test as I explained to you earlier. For example, if your period occurred on 15th of July and you have a 30-day cycle and you're expecting your period to come on 16th of August and you don't get a period on 16th of August, on 17th of August, you can do the home pregnancy test and you will get a positive result if you are pregnant. The whole idea of telling this is that you don't have to wait very long trying to understand if you are pregnant and in doubt, when you can do it at the very earliest, because most pregnancy test kits these days are very sensitive and pick up pregnancy very early. So why do you have to do a home pregnancy test? If you are a couple who has been planning for a baby and you have missed your period, doing a home pregnancy test will let you know if you're pregnant so that you can seek your doctor's advice and get early pregnancy care and guidance. On the other hand, if the thought of an unplanned pregnancy makes you anxious, doing a pregnancy test will again help you, because a negative pregnancy test will take away the anxiety and a positive pregnancy test will let you know that you should meet your doctor to understand what is the way forward. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked our content, please do like, share and subscribe. Our motto at Kimkena has always been to make you understand the how and why of good health. So until I see you next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.